If I had to do it all over again, in this video, I want to answer a question that I get all too frequently, and that's if I could do it all over again, would I still do the DIY where I purchase my own chiller and everything from Amazon and put my own cold plunge together, or would I just purchase a cold plunge from a company that already did all the hard work for me? Well, in this video, I'm going to answer that question and I'm going to tell you why. Let's jump in. All right, so to recap on why this is a question in the first place, this is my ice barrel. This is a chiller I purchased on Amazon. These are the components that I purchased. I was, I think, one of the first people to do this. I never saw a video like this before, and I think that's what made my YouTube channel kind of popular. So I got a pump, I got some tubing, I got a filter, I drilled some holes, and I've got continuous cold water all coming from this chiller, the Active Aqua chiller, and it holds temperature. I'm here in Florida. It was like 90 degrees today. It just rained. I got this one set at 54. It's currently at 56, and I took, it just kind of, it fluctuates by a few degrees, but I've had no issues. It's under like half of a little thing here. And so with no insulation and everything, I'm trying to answer a lot of the questions with no insulation and just sitting out here in the sun and in the rain and in the elements. I think this thing has done a great job for being plugged in 24/7 for almost a solid year. This chiller is an absolute beast, and I absolutely love the ice barrel. I love the ergonomics of it. I love when I get into it, I'm in an active position. There's a lot about this setup that I absolutely love, and that's the DIY chiller setup that I have. Now let's look at Polar Monkey. So this is the Polar Monkey setup. Yes, I have 2 cold plunges on at all times. This one's set at 54. That one's for my wife and kids. They don't like to get in anything under 50. They're working their way down. Polar Monkeys, on the other hand, this thing is a great setup. It's set at 44. It holds the temperature perfectly. It has a 1 horsepower chiller, a massive filter, great pump, huge tubes, tons of water flow. And this is the original water from when I first posted this video. I've never drained the water, and I've never done anything other than ozone cleaning it and throwing some hydrogen peroxide. It also sits directly under the elements. There is actually no cover at all. So when it rains and when the sun's beaming down, it's hitting this thing. What I do like about it, and here's some of the things, it's basically just a galvanized trough, a black painted trough with some artwork on the front. They've got a lot of different artwork in different sizes, which is also cool. But what I like about it is this lid. This lid is insulated. It keeps the elements out. It's got this skirt that protects the plunge from getting any bugs and stuff in there. You can open up half of it. I typically just open up half of it when I plunge. You can take the whole thing off of it. And I like that, because that was one of the biggest downfalls to my original DIY build, is that I had no lid. I had to build my own lid, and my son was throwing all of his toys and food and stuff in there. And yeah, it wasn't very good. So the fact that there's a lid, the fact that everything comes with it is super awesome. Makes it very easy. The install was very easy as well. Now, I do know that Polar Monkeys has recently changed some of their components, and they've condensed all of this into one. So I'm real excited. They're supposed to be sending me one of those to check out, which I'm real excited about. So I will definitely be posting a review on that when that comes out. But for the meantime, I'm going to be reviewing and comparing these two right here. All right, so you may notice in the description down below, I have some affiliate links that offer some discounts on Ice Barrel. There's Polar Monkeys, there's Edge Theory Labs, and I have a new cold plunge company that I'm teaming up with, Iced Up Industries. They have an amazing product that I'm super stoked to receive, so that I can review and tell you everything you need to know about it. So check out those affiliate links down below and use the discount code so you can save a little money off your own plunges. Now let's get back to the show. All right, so the first thing I want to talk about is the Polar Monkeys plunge. This is similar to my original DIY. If you ever saw that video where I did an actual galvanized horse trough, it was only a 5-foot horse trough. I want to say it was even shorter than that. It might have been a 4-foot horse trough. I used it for baby chickens, had it on the side of my house, decided I was going to fill it with ice and do ice baths. So I started that way. Then I decided I need to get a chiller. So that's where I picked up this chiller and did my own little DIY. I liked the horse trough, but it was really small. What I liked about Polar Monkeys is that they had the bigger option, that it was pretty, that it looked really nice, and that it came with everything I needed, and the components seemed to be a little bit better than what I was using currently on Amazon, or that I purchased from Amazon at the time. So I do like the Polar Monkeys trough. I do like their components. I've had no issues with it. It's been plugged in 24/7 since the day I put this thing on, and I've had the same water, so the filter obviously works really, really well. It holds a temperature amazing. It's got a 1 horsepower chiller, so everything they're using is amazing. I know there's some new components I'm excited to review as well. I know they're not taking a step back because the company is forward thinking, so I'm real excited about that. But I do like this. Now, however, the price is kind of expensive, isn't it, Wyatt? Yeah. The price is a little expensive. It's competitive when it comes to the cold plunges on the market, but it is a little bit expensive, and you can save money by doing it yourself. So it just depends. If you're a DIYer and you want to do it yourself, you may consider doing so. And I have all the links to everything that I've used from Amazon in the description below, so you can literally do your own DIY. I've helped hundreds of people do the DIY just like I did, and they're super happy with it, so I'm excited about that. I'd love to help you out with that too. But if I was doing it all over again, I would heavily consider Polar Monkeys because it comes with everything you need, and it's a top quality product. So super stoked on this. All right, so now let's talk about the DIY setup. Now, I originally had this setup in a horse trough that you can get at Tractor Supply or any feeding store or anything like that. And they're not crazy expensive. They're like $100 for a nice galvanized horse trough. I did upgrade it, if you ever saw that video, to a Rubbermaid tub. Now, here's the thing. I realized after I had been using it for a little while that those tubs are apparently filled with BPAs. And if you're trying to live a healthy lifestyle and you're trying to biohack and you're trying to cold plunge for all the health benefits, you might want to make sure that the product you're using isn't loaded with chemicals and toxins that are going to mess up your body while you're trying to do something that's positive for your body. One of the things I love about Ice Barrel is made in America, BPA free. This product is solid. I love Ice Barrel. I recommend Ice Barrel because the ergonomics of it, the ease of setup, it has a great insulated lid that even if you use ice, it'll keep the ice pretty cool. Even though it's just a simple plastic barrel, it doesn't seem like it's gonna keep the water cool. It keeps the water cool pretty well. I already had this setup, so I went ahead and kept using the setup. I asked Ice Barrel if they cared if I drilled holes in this and did my own thing. They said, go ahead, have at it, have fun. I'm super excited about it. I constantly have cold, fresh, clean water running, keeping my water clean and cool. It's super easy to change the water if and when you need to. I don't have a massive filter like my Polar Monkeys do. I just have a simple strainer that I picked up on Amazon just to keep the debris from making its way into the chiller. But this chiller is an absolute beast. It's typically out of stock on Amazon. It comes on stock every once in a while. They have different sizes. I do not recommend going with the 1/4 horsepower, especially if you live in a hot climate, even if it's gonna be inside. I haven't had anybody report anything positive on the 1/4 horsepower chiller from Active Aqua. 1/2 horsepower is probably the minimum I would go with no matter where you're at if you're trying to keep your water cold. But I've been a massive fan of this. This chiller, I think at the time of this video, is like $1,200. The strainer, all the components alone, like including the pump, are like, I don't know, maybe $1,400. Not a lot of money, and you can literally put this setup in a bathtub, pick up an ice barrel, put it in a galvanized trough. So as far as affordability goes, I mean, doing your own DIY is definitely cost effective. But if you want just a clean looking setup, there's a lot of other options on the table as well. So now I've rambled and given you guys a lot of random things and facts, but let me tell you which one I would choose if I was doing it all over again. All right, real quick, I have to tell you guys something. I've been wearing Legends almost exclusively for a long time now. And they're cool. Like, they're great for working out. They're breathable. They have liners. They have no liners. It's cool. Why am I talking about shorts? Because I found a new love and I got to share it with you guys. As you probably can tell, I like to try new things. So I tried this new company out. It's called Bamboo Avenue. Very similar to Legends, very similar in material and price and everything like that. But there's a few things about these I really like. Not only is the quality high, but they've also given me a discount code that I get to share with all my friends. Gives you 10% off your entire order using the discount code DMOSH Jr. So I'll put the link to Bamboo Avenue in the description below. If you're looking for some high quality shorts like me, these are now my new go-tos. So if I had to do it all over again, honestly, it's a tough decision because I really do love the Ice Barrel DIY setup. I love the DIY setup. It's helped a lot of people. It's affordable. You can purchase everything on Amazon, so it gets shipped right to your house really fast. And doing it yourself isn't very hard. However, on the contrary, I do love Polar Monkeys, Edge Theory Labs, Ice Up Industries, and the other cold plunges out there because they make it really simple. They also ship it right to your house. Now, here's a couple things to consider when you do purchase one that's pre-made. A lot of times there's a lead time. It takes, from what I've heard, 4 to 8 weeks to get your plunge. So you're spending a lot of money on something and you're not getting it for a little bit of time. Whereas I think Ice Barrel ships like next day. It's a little less expensive. You can get it really fast. And then everything on Amazon ships also within the next like 2 to 3 days. So depends on your timeline. It also depends on your budget. If I had a lot of money laying around and I really wanted a nice, good looking staple piece of a cold plunge, I would spend the money. But if I just wanted something to get really cold that was functional, that was affordable, that was also durable and really easy to set up and easy to maintain, I would do the DIY setup, but I would do it with an ice barrel. So that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. If you have any questions, post them in the comments below. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a great day, and God bless.